Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with Unit 8, that is Decisions Theory of MMPC005. So let's see the objectives of this chapter. After reading this unit, you should be able to structure a decision problem involving various alternatives and uncertainties in outcomes, apply marginal analysis for solving decision problems under uncertainty, and analyze the sequential problem using decision tree approach. Appreciate the use of preference theory in decision making under certainty. Analyze the uncertain situation where probabilities of outcome are not known. The structure of this unit are introduction is there, certain key issues in decision theory, marginal analysis, decision tree approach, preference theory, other approaches, summary is there, further reading are there. In every sphere of our life, we need to take various kind of decisions. The ubiquity of the decision problem together with the need to make good decision have led many people from different time and field to analyze the decision making process. A growing body of literature on decision analysis is thus found today. The analysis varies with the nature of the decision problem, so that any classification based for decision problem provides us with a means to segregate the decision analysis literature. A necessary condition for the existence of a decision problem is the presence of alternative ways of action. Each action leads to a consequence through a possible set of outcome, the information on which might be known or unknown. One of the several ways of classifying decision problem has been based on this knowledge about the information on outcome. Broadly, two classifications result. The information on outcome are deterministic and are known with certainty, and the information on outcome are probabilistic with the probabilities unknown or unknown. The former may be classified as the decision making under certainty, while the latter is called decision making under uncertainty. The theory that has resulted from analyzing decision problems in uncertain situations is commonly referred to as decision theory. With our background in the probability theory, we are in a position to undertake a study of decision theory in this unit. The objective of this unit is to study certain methods for solving decision problem under uncertainty. The methods are consequent to certain key issues of such problem. Accordingly, in the next section, we discuss the issue, and in subsequent section, we present the different methods for solving them. And certain key issues in decision theory. The different issues arise while analyzing decision problem under uncertain condition of outcome. Firstly, decisions we take can be viewed either as independent decision or as decisions figuring in whole sequence of decisions that are taken over a period of time. This depending on the planning horizon under consideration, as also the nature of decision. We have either a single stage decision problem or a sequential decision problem. In real life, the decision maker provides the common thread, and perhaps all his decisions, past, present, and future, can be considered to be sequential. The problem becomes combinatorial and hence difficult to solve. Fortunately, valid assumptions in most of the cases help to reduce the number of stages and make the problem tractable. And in earlier unit, we have seen a method of handling a single stage decision problem. The problem was essential to find the number of newspaper copies the newspaper man should stock in the face of uncertain demand, such that the expected profit is maximized. A critical examination of the method tells us that the calculation becomes tedious as the number of values the demand is taking increases. However, this criterion suffers from two problems: the expected profit or expected monetary value, as it is more commonly known, does not take into account the decision maker's attitude towards risk. And for the purpose of this unit, we will be discussing the issue as raised above. This will be achieved through a study of the following: marginal analysis for single stage decision problem, decision tree approach for sequential decision problem, preference theory, other approaches for problem where probabilities are unknown. In the subsequent section, we take up the above in the order presented. So here is an activity A and activity B is based on the section. And next is marginal analysis. We have seen how expected value can be used while deciding on one alternative from among several alternatives courses of action, each of which is characterized by a set of uncertain outcomes. It is easy to see that the computation becomes tedious as the new number of values the random variable can take increase. Consider the example of the newspaper man discussed in the section 6.4. Instead of 6 values of the demand that we have assumed there, if the demand could take say 20 value with different chances of occurrences of each value, the computation would become very tedious. In such cases, marginal analysis is very helpful. In this section, we explain the concept behind this analysis. So here is example also. You just go through your Igno study material. So it will be more clear if you are going through the example sections. Okay, and activity also here based on that. And next section 8.4 we will discuss on next video onwards. And for more Igno MBA videos, you just do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you.
i-tutor Academy presents Ignou MBA complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.